Met je phone? Of heb
Ja,
je ook met je camera?
ik heb mijn camera.
Wat zou je dan weer station?
Oh ja. Zit je ooit in deze stoel? This weird ass looking. This is so uncomfortable.
I know. I don't understand that chair at all.
The headrest.
Yeah, it's, never sit here. So here you can put the camera in, and then here you can put drone lens, drone battery, photo. Like I haven't used this one, but it's really useful for small. What is this video gonna be?
No, niet zo. Where do you see the Alps?
That whole thing.
Oh.
It's so big.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Yeah. We have been cycling all over town and are going to continue cycling and go to the city center and go out to dinner, but it's a surprise, everything the whole weekend, so yeah, have fun. He's just getting a jacket. We rented the bikes via a subscription that you can get to Publibike, and I'm using the subscription of his flatmate.
Wow.
There you are.
Thank you. Oh, you look so cool.
Thank you. We're not going to the circus, are we?
No, we're going to, well, the circus of birds. You can see a lot of fish here. Hey, Swan.
Come. Oh my god. Oh. Hij komt nog werkelijk dichterbij ook. Het is. We haven't
read
won.
the story.
Oh yeah,
I'm
shit.
gonna read the story.
No.
The one we're getting off of is already an Italian region.
Oh.
Because Bellinzona. Yeah, but that's already like almost an hour further. So the stops are so.
Gewoon een uur naar het zuiden, basically.
Yeah. Yeah. So makes sense. The Alps, you know. I really wonder how.
Nee.
If it's a lot of tunnels or.
blah blah. And in the whole IT, there were like 3 people. You want me to stop so you can make a
No,
picture?
no, no. Just
In the
keep
whole
going.
IT, there were 3 people who worked reduced. That time I did the 75%, there was another guy 70 and 180. And those were the only people who didn't give a crap. And all
Ga jij niet koud krijgen?
This is so cool. A big reveal. Wow. Damn, did you just see this? Oh my god. Oké. Wil je inchecken?
Alles gaat mooi zijn.
Ja. Hier zijn we aan de station.
This is my surprise for my birthday still. And it's staying a night in this cabin. I don't know if you can see it, on top of a mountain, and it is absolutely stunning, and it's gonna be sunset soon, so we're gonna take lots of pictures, and we're gonna try and do astrophotography tonight, which is really exciting because I've done that years ago for the last time because of light pollution, and now we're gonna do this. It's just amazing.
Hey.
Hey!
Okay, just
Just what?
recording.
Yeah?
But I would love to do like a zoom in shot where you're like walking on the fields and you have that mountain behind you, and I can get like inside this trench.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'll walk.
Just keep walking straight
Go.
towards that mountain. No, cross.
Cross, yeah? There's your little path. My ass is getting so cold.
I get stuck.
We made it to the top and we're on our way down. And I was sliding just on my pants because they're very waterproof and they slide really good. And now we kind of separated. He's on the top over there. I'm over here in the grass. But we both gotta go down. So. And it's nice and warm again. So now it's nice again. At the top I wasn't so happy, but now I am. The mobility car. Yeah. Going to IKEA. Yeah. Perfect op tijd.
It's not a
What?